Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here at the workbench, making shavings. So, I got my 5.5 out. For some physical therapy. Now, what I find interesting is the size of the plane, while is partly stressing my arm, actually seems to be more comfortable than a smaller plane. Although they're both about the same. The only thing I'm noticing different in my grip is I can only rely on these two fingers to hold the tote. Okay? These two are relegated to just hanging out. They may help me a little bit with the steering. Because the other alternative, going left-handed, would require me to figure a new way to hold the knob. Don't know. So I am working on something. I got it clamped up here. I didn't have any screws in here. They're out in the other workshop to screw the two pieces together, so I just glued them. It is going to be a workshop aid or a sharpening accessory, depending what you want to call it. So I hope you're having a good day. I posted a little video out there about how you can raise your wood up in your vise and still have it level and solidly affixed. I'm going to be posting another video, at least one, maybe two. I did find the one Paul Sellers book. And then as I was looking for it, I found a second one, identical books. Working Wood, the Artisan Series, 1 and 2, and identical books, except one of them is autographed by Paul Sellers. So, for good luck, that probably should come in here into the workshop when I build a bookcase. And since I have the full series of DVDs, and I have 2 sons, I'm thinking, should I gift the books to them and then let them each share the DVDs when they need them? Because it's a very expensive series, very complete, very concise. Some of the things I learned growing up Paul would show in his teaching. and some of his approaches were slightly different. So I don't know. We'll see. All I know is I'm at a point now in my life that things are going to be majorly different. And I'm not going to live forever. So might as well part with the things now to someone who could use it. So if you found anything in this video that you liked, found it useful, entertaining, or you just wanted to come and visit, that's great. Give it the old thumbs up. Like, subscribe, and share the video. And may you have a blessed day. Walter out.